Meaning of fierceness.
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 Fierceness. Fierceness refers to a state or quality of being ferocious, intense, or aggressive. It can be used to describe the demeanor or behavior of a person, animal, or situation that is marked by a fierce or savage intensity. When someone or something exhibits fierceness, it often implies a strong sense of determination, passion, and power. This term is commonly associated with images of wild beasts, battle scenes, or highly competitive environments where individuals are required to fight for survival or dominance.